So let me guess, you're in Byron right now trying to score, right? We all did. It was Byron. I'm gonna cut it short. If you're looking for some, Arts Factory Lodge is the place. But watch this clip. It'll give you an insight of what we went through to be able to find what we needed in Byron.
We're going on scavenger hunt. We're gonna find Mary Jane.
Everybody here in Byron Bay keeps mentioning this Mary Jane chick, and me and Jessica were like, we need to find her. So we're right now going to investigate. We're gonna go ask a few people. It might not be possible, but we're gonna make it possible. Dude, you sure about this? I don't know, Jessica. I don't find this safe, man.
Mama, if I don't come home, it's Christian's fault. Hello! Mary Jane, deep in the game! She's not here yet.
I see dead people.
Aquarium?
What? Jessica, check this out. It's a whole new world here. There's mushrooms here. Holy. This is sick, dude.
Where's Mary Jane?
I think you'll find her over there.
Hey dude, I'm Mary Jane. How much do you want, man?
Dude, I'm so sorry to have to scare you like that. But I do appreciate you watching, so make sure to subscribe here or watch this video here of me and my sister in Byron. Go ahead, I'm waiting. I'm not stopping. Take your time. Take your time.